Hi, I've made this audacious decision of doing 108 Surya Namaskars this summer solstice. That is June 21st. We have 28 days to go. Today I'm doing the first one. Let's begin. Join me. We start with the prayer. ध्येयं सदा सवित्रमण्डलमध्यवर्ति नारायणः सरसिजा सनसन्निविष्ट केयुर्वाणमकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हरिहिरण्यमेव प्रतत शङ्खचक्र. The first one, Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. Stretch your hands to the top. Urdhva Namaskarasana. Look up and try to touch the sky. Where is your mat? Go get your mat. I mean, to just watch yoga, there are thousands of supermodels who all over the internet. So get your mat. I'll wait. Okay, we start again. One, stretch your hands to the top. Look at your hands and feel that stretch. You can just go a little back if you want to feel the stretch in the front part of your body. Now bring your hands down first, then your neck, and slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, aim to touch the floor. Okay, there was a time I could keep my hands flat, but now my ankle is the new toe. It's okay if you can just come up to here or here or here. Stay here and you'll observe that each time you take a breath, gravity pulls you forward. So you come closer to the floor. This is Janushrasana. Next one is Ekpada Kinchanasana, where you touch the floor and take your right leg back as much as you can. So if it's only so much, it's fine. If it's only so much, it's fine. Take it as much as you can. Press in front, look up. You may keep your knee on the floor. Keep your shoulders straight, chest facing the sky. Listen to your body. You can hear it is talking to you. Listen to what it is saying. Fourth one is the plank pose. Take your feet behind. Not like this. Not like this. But like this. Try and keep it as straight as possible. This does wonders for your stomach. And notice the hands, you claw them so that you don't have pressure on your wrists. Look in front. Again, listen to your body. It's talking to you, maybe even screaming. Now there is a rest pose here. Shashankasana. Take a deep breath and be thankful that you're alive to see the sunrise. Now comes the Surya Namaskar. Bring your forehead to the floor. Bend your chest to the floor. Try and keep your stomach above the floor. But if it falls, no problem. My mother always did a Surya Namaskar like this. She's 83 and she's running the house perfectly. Now slowly come up, Bhujangasana. Look up as much as you can. Keep your shoulders straight and give a nice bright smile. Smile can reduce your pain, even if it is momentary. So give the brightest smile here. 8, Parvatasana. Try to, you can bring your feet wherever you're feeling comfortable and try and touch your heels to the floor. If you can't, it's okay. Parvatasana. Again, Shashankasana. 10, bring your right leg to the front. Look up, shoulders straight and wide. 11, you can move a little if you like. You can jiggle a little if you like. You can keep your head, move your head, remove the pressure from your jaws, and slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, come to the last 12th. Now put your hand, right hand up, and pat yourself at the back. I've just done one and I'm sweating. I don't know how I'll do 108, but stay with me. We'll do it. Hope to see you tomorrow, or you should see me tomorrow. I hope you can see me tomorrow. Thank you very much. Namaste.